income is 50% more than Sheetal's income. By what percent Sheetal's income is less than Rohit's income? We can do it in two ways. Once we can suppose let Sheetal's income is rupees 100. Okay. Let Sheetal's income is rupees 100. Rohit's income will be 100 plus 50% of 100. Because in the statement it is given Rohit's income is 50% more than Sheetal's income. So Rohit income will be 100 plus 50% of 100. 100 plus 50 by 100 into 100. Because to remove percentage sign we always divide it by 100. That means rupees 150. Now difference in their earning. Difference in the earnings is equal to 150 minus 100, that is equal to 50 rupees. Now by what percent Sheetal's income is less than Rohit income? Now you have to find percentage of Sheetal income to Rohit income. Sheetal income by what percent less than? How much is the difference? 50 out of 150. Because Sheetal's income is less than Rohit's income. And Rohit income is 150 into 100. It will be 33.33%. It will be 33.33%. Another way is that you, instead of supposing rupees 100, you can take it as X. Let Sheetal's income be X. Income is rupees X. Now Rohit's income will be, it will proceed in the similar manner, but instead of 100 it will be X. X plus 50% of X. It will be X plus X by 2, that is equal to 3X by 2. Now this is Rohit's income. Difference in earning, x by 2 minus x, that is equal to x by 2. That is equal to x by 2. Now percentage difference will be x by 2. This is the difference in the earning upon Rohit income, 3x by 2 into 100%. 2 cancel by 2, x cancel by x, 100 by 3%. That is again equal to 33.33%. So the answer is same. Here we have taken variable and here we have taken 100. I have told you both the methods because some students says that ma'am it is not given that Sheetal income is rupees 100, why you are taking 100. So I have taken it a variable over here. But we can suppose it as 100 because percentage is per 100. So whatsoever we will be taking here as the income, the percentage will remain the same because it will be per 100 only. The amount which we will be calculating, that will be per 100 only. That's all. So there is no difference between these two methods. You can use any of the method. Check problem 8. It is given in this problem, due to some mishap, Ahmed lost 12.1/2% of his total earnings. He spent 70% of the remaining amount. Keep this thing in mind that he spent 70% of the remaining amount and is left with rupees 2100 in his pocket. Find his total earning. He is left with 2100 rupees and he spent 70%. That means the saving is 100 minus 70, that is 30%. So 30% of the remaining amount is rupees 2100. Now how to solve? We will solve it step by step. Let total earning be, total earning is equal to rupees X. Okay, money lost. Because in the very first line it is given that due to some mishap, Ahmed lost 12 by 2%. Money lost 12 by 2% of X. How much? 12 by 2% of X. This is equal to 25 by 2% of X. Now to remove the percentage sign, you need to divide it by 100. Of means multiply X. That means X by 8. He was having earning X. Lost X by 8. Money left. Total money was X. Lost was X by 8. Now solve it. 8x minus x, 7x by 8. This is the money left with Ahmed. Now, out of this 7x by 8, he spent 70%. Out of this 7x by 8. Keep this thing in mind that he has not spent 70% of x. Rather, he has spent 70% of 7x by 8. And is left with 2100 rupees. Now this 2100 is 30% of 7x by 8. Now according to question, 30% of 7x by 8 is equal to 2100. 70% was spent. How much is left? 30% of the remaining amount. Remaining amount is 7x by 8. Now to remove the percentage sign, you will divide it by 100. Of means multiply 7x by 8 is equal to 2100. Now this is a linear equation which you can easily solve. The terms which are in multiplication will go in division and which are in division will go in multiplication. Only variable will left over here. Cancel it. It will be 100 and the amount is rupees 8000. The amount is 8000. So he was having 8000 rupees in the starting, or 8000 was his total earning. How we have done? Let me rewind it up. First of all, we suppose that total earning is rupees X. How much money was lost? 12 by 2% of his total earning. His total earning was X. Now I solve it and we get the value as X by 8. Now we find the remaining amount. Money left. X minus X by 8. 7X by 8. Now it is given that he spent 70% of the remaining amount. So how much is left? 30% of the remaining amount. 30% of remaining amount is given to you as 2100. And after this I solve a linear equation and get the value as rupees 8000. That solves our problem.